Hi there, I'm Tony Scullion, and I want to take you behind the scenes of how I help my clients get results with both their health and their business productivity. I've coached over 865 clients over the last few decades. All my clients go through this operator capacity framework. Not all my clients want to lose weight, but all of them do want to improve their energy, physical performance, mental performance, and business performance. So we have to really see what is stopping them from being the best that they can be. And that has to go through three phases. We fix the biology first, then we look for the time and energy operating system, where the actual leaks are with time and energy. And then we look at maximizing everything for sustainability by weaponizing their health, building upon phase one and phase two. So here is a quick flowchart of what that looks like. Phase one goes through the Cortisol Recode. We do stress load mapping. We look at your sleep depth and recovery signals. We look at your meal and nutrient timing. And we look at your glucose and inflammation stability. That is exactly what has helped build the foundations for all my clients to feel the best that they can possibly be, as young as they can possibly be. Because let's face it, why do we want to look after our health as we get over 40? We want to feel younger. We want to have better quality of life as we get older. We can also see down here, when they stop putting all the jigsaw pieces together and get a framework that actually works for them, they start getting better results. And that's usually what is the problem. So after we have went through phase one of the Cortisol Recode, we've optimized the biology, you will see changes within the first 7 to 30 days. You'll feel your energy improve, you'll feel your mental clarity improve. Then we have to go into the time and energy operating system. So this is where we look at your daily workflow, your daily meetings, what is giving you decision load overwhelm essentially. We compress that. We reduce the hundreds of small decisions draining your mental bandwidth. And then we look how to maximize your time. What are you working on that you should not be working on, so that everything does not feel like you're constantly putting out fires? And within that, then the delegation and the communication aspect will help you eliminate energy loss caused by people, not tasks. Because when we remove emotion from conflict in communication or breakdown in communication, everything will be more logical and it'll be easier to overcome. And then we look at your weekly execution rhythm. This is installing consistent frameworks so every week doesn't start from zero. And each week you work with me, when we do our weekly review, we should be able to look back and analyze what has happened both with your biology and with your time and energy operating system, and see, as we step up the ladder to bigger improvements, what needs changed so that you have more time and energy to be the best you can be, not only in business, but in your family life, so you can be more present. And then that's where we get to phase three, where we weaponize your health and make this all sustainable. So we use your health as a performance asset. That way you have something sustainable. You understand by going through phase one and phase two what your personalized roadmap looks like. We discover that by implementing a strategy, seeing how it works, and then adjusting it as we go along, so that you have a long-term roadmap where you understand exactly how your system works. And that carries over into sustainable body composition. You're not going to lose weight if that's your goal, and lose 20, 40, 60 pounds or whatever it is, and then rebound everything straight after the program finishes, because the habits that we have implemented through going through these phases properly is going to help you maintain this for the long term. And then as your confidence grows, because your time and energy is fixed, you have more mental clarity, more mental freedom. The Cortisol Recode has helped you feel the best that you can be with your biology. Your confidence is going to be sky high, and then your leadership presence under pressure will be much calmer, confident, and you can think clearer. And then that results in tangible business results. So by fixing your biology, by fixing your systems, we will restore you as the operator. Book a call, and at least then you will get some clarity on what needs to happen next to help you improve your physical and mental performance.